So what we have here is another problem we have to solve. We are given that x squared minus 3x minus 1 is 0. And what they want is what x squared plus 1 over x squared is. Now, most people would just set x squared to 3x plus 1, and then they would try and solve what 3x plus 1 plus 1 over 3x plus 1 is equal to. But that is very complicated, and there is this easier way to solve this problem. So first of all, we have to realize that we can make 1 over x squared into a square. So 1 over x squared, you can just rewrite this as 1 over x squared, right? So now you can rewrite this equation here as x squared plus 1 over x squared. And now we will use this formula up here. A plus or minus b squared, b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus or minus 2ab. And since the equation is minus, we use the minus. So we can write out equation x minus 1 over x squared is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 2 times x times 1 over x. Well, x times 1 over x is just 1, so we can write it down here. And 1 times 2 is just 2, so it's going to be x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 2. From the equation, since x is on the bottom, we know that x is not 0 because 0 can't be on the bottom. So I'm just going to write it here. X is not equal to 0. Well, now, what we can do is divide the whole equation by x, knowing that it's not 0. So that's going to be x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 over x. All of this is over x. So this down here is just going to be x minus 3 minus 1 over x is equal to 0. So x minus 1 over x is 3. And now we can just plug this in here and solve. So, and once we square both sides, x minus 1 over x squared is 3 squared. So this goes down here. 3 squared, or 9. And we move the 2 to the other side. So x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 11. And that is our answer.